Is your baby getting hiccups all the time?
Don't worry. Today I'll tell you if it's normal and when you should actually be concerned. First of all, yes, baby hiccups are completely normal. Even newborns hiccup a lot. It's usually just their tiny diaphragm muscles practicing and growing. You might even notice your baby hiccuping before they're born during pregnancy.
Should you worry?
Most of the time, hiccups don't bother babies at all. They'll smile, play, or even sleep through them. But you should check with a doctor if the hiccups last for hours, come with choking, vomiting, or if your baby seems very uncomfortable.
What is cause of?
Hiccups in babies are typically caused by spasms of the diaphragm, the muscle that helps with breathing. This can happen due to overfeeding, swallowing air during feeding, or even giggling. In some cases, hiccups can be linked to gastroesophageal reflux, GERD, where stomach acid irritates the diaphragm.
How to stop newborn hiccups?
Burp your baby. Offer a pacifier. Hold your baby upright. Feed your baby slowly. Feeding them gripe water. Feeds or offering a few sips of water if they're old enough. But most times, it's totally okay to just let them pass naturally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real parenting tips.